Alright, so this is our storm. I figured I'd show you guys. But we're in a little town called Wikieup, Arizona, at the Chicago style eatery. It's pretty amazing. If you're ever on 93, Highway 93, look for the American flag for the Chicago style eatery. It's pretty amazing. But this is our storm that they have, and I was trying to get some video of the lightning because it's pretty crazy. But if you're ever traveling on Highway 93, if you go down this way of Highway 93, you're heading towards Phoenix, Arizona, which is 2 hours from Wikieup. And then if you're traveling and going this way on 93, you're heading towards Vegas, which is 2 hours away. So, but it's pretty amazing actually. But I was trying to get some video of this lightning because I thought it was pretty amazing. And I just missed a whole bunch of it. This lightning is like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty cool. It travels in different volumes, and it goes all over the valley out there, which is pretty amazing. So, but we've got big old giant raindrops, and I'm sitting outside in the rain. But we got lightning or thunder above us, lightning around us. It's pretty amazing. So, but I'm not trying to make anybody nauseous or sick or anything like that. So this is me vlogging, which is not used to vlogging myself. So we'll see how this goes. So, but that way is the town of Wikieup. We're in Wikieup, but that's the center where you have 3 gas stations, and you have a little restaurant. So it's kind of an amazing little place. And this one is Chicago style eatery. So if you're ever on Highway 93 from Highway 40 or coming from Phoenix, you know, it's right here. It's kind of cool. So let's see if we can get some lightning now. Oh, there's my daughter running towards me. Hello, say hello to the camera.
Hi, everybody.
So, and I figured I'd try to vlog some lightning. We don't vlog much, and I should start vlogging more, but one of these days I will. She ain't camera shy. Alright. So, but we've got semis, and we got cars. Pretty much we got everything that travels through here.
1, 2, 3.
But she came encounter with her first king snake. I'll share that video here soon.
Not a king snake.
Or sorry, it was a gopher snake, my bad. Gopher snake. So that lightning, it's kind of cool. It like does this spider web effect. And I was trying to get a video of it, but I don't know if I caught that, but that was pretty cool. I'll check the camera again. I can't wait till the other camera comes in because I can start doing my vlogging better.
Outside.
We need this rain though. It was so humid today.
Mama?
Yes,
May I try to share with you?
not right this second. You're not walking. Alright, trying to get some vlogging, but she's over there swinging. She's a swinging. Those raindrops are getting big again. Big raindrops. Alright, I know this is a boring video and I'm sorry guys. But I'm trying to do some... I don't know if I got that. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's like a spider webby effect. It's kind of cool.
She was learning the color.
I don't know.
Because I really want to show her my first real my first snake that I actually caught.
Well, you didn't catch it with your own hand.
Well, you know what I mean.
I know. You almost stepped on it though. So.
Then I'll cut it.
What?
Then I'll catch it.
Yeah.
Cause Mom,
But he was going to digest his rat that he found.
Yeah, Mom, he didn't have a rat until after.
How do you know?
Because Mom, if he did, he was gonna go stop and. It was that.
What was what? I don't know.
Like stop.
Yeah, they turned into kilbies.
Huh?
They turned into kilbies.
Jimmy.
No, that's the other entrance over there next to us.
But I stepped on him because he was right there, and I was like about to step the pigeon. I was step. I was like, oh, I just jumped back into the.
It is 7:47.
Huh?
It's 7:47.
Right now?
Mhm.
What's the time is?
Feels later than that, huh?
Yeah.
Not though.
It feels like it's 8. I wanted to close that 8.
Well, that lit up the sky, not like it usually does, but. Alright, so we're gonna start heading back over here to the place we're staying at. And I am going to call it a night because the rain is starting to come down even more than. There we go, we got some. So. Alright. You coming in, kiddo? You gonna go hang it over there for a few minutes? No, leave it over there in their garden because it'll eat all their stuff. They're all the. I let it digest its food. No, I'm not putting it in. Let it be. Let it be.